Okay, I'm actually doing this on the chair, and there's a bit of a shadow there, and the car's actually missed the chair slightly. But the reason I'm doing this on the chair is I don't want that body to get scratched. So we've done some mods. We put the rally tires on that came with it. I've got other rally tires that I will test. We installed the ESS Sense speaker. This is the ESS One, One Plus, I think. Yep, One Plus. And we installed the WRC sound for that. And basically the way it connects in is very simple. It's got a power section that's in line on the battery. You see that small section over there? The ESS connector connects on there. At the back you see the power lines actually going there, and it goes to the ESS connector, the Sense speaker, and then this signal cable that comes out has 4 cables. The yellow one is just to change settings on the go from the remote, if your remote is an extra button, but mine doesn't. In this case I'm using the stock remote, so I just plugged in line the 3 cables, the signal, the positive and the negative, inline in the ESC into the receiver. So when you accelerate, the speaker knows what to do. It receives the output and it receives everything that needs to be done. Now, we haven't done much mods to this yet. I'm still testing this out. I don't have a 4S battery as yet. I have a lot of 3S batteries, 2S, but not a 4S battery. So we tested this out slightly, and I'll show you some of the running footage, but I want to quickly log into the app now and just take a look at what functionality it gives you, and I'm going to record my screen even as I do so. Okay, so here you can see the app and I'm logging in. You just need to turn on your Bluetooth when the car is on and you'll see the device. You just click on it and say connect, and it shows you this telemetry data, how fast the car is going, the temperature of the ESC, motor temperature. You just click on settings, and obviously you can see the first setting that's there is the running mode, but I like to set the car to have a slight bit of drag brake, so it coasts a bit but it slows down when I release the accelerator. That gives a bit of a realistic sort of feel. So you've got the running mode, the drag brake, the cutoff voltage. I'm setting the punch to level 8, which is good. Then it's got the throttle rate, punch rate, then the max brake force. I don't like to set the max brake force to too high, so 75% is just perfect. Max reverse force, sometimes you reverse these cars so fast that they just go crash into something, so I set it to 25%. Initial brake force is the same as the drag force, which is okay. The neutral range, 9%, you can change that. And the BEC value you'll see is at 7.4 volts. Unfortunately, I didn't click on that to actually see the difference. But over here is where we come to something important, the LiPo cells. You can see that this car takes 2S, 3S, and 4S. So it's 2 to 4S capable. And I've set it on auto, so whatever battery I put in there from 2S to 4S, it'll just pick it up. And you can also set the motor direction, but currently it's set in the right direction, clockwise, which is good for that motor, and it's working, it's going in the right direction, so we'll leave it as is. So that's pretty much the settings you can do. There's no advanced timing or extra settings to change and give you a bit more boost, low end or speed or turbo. It's pretty much the basic settings that you get on the quick run Hobbywing systems, but this is not a Hobbywing system. I don't think so. Or maybe it is and rebranded, but the app that it uses to connect in is ESDH, and you actually get to this app by scanning the QR code in the manual. So that's a wrap for the app, and that's pretty much what you get. Now we're going to go into a time when we just lift the car up and we accelerate to full speed, see what the maximum RPM is on 3S. And as you can see, that's happening over there right now. take it up slowly. The speed is going up. So on 3S, we're getting to about 24,500 or 24,600 RPM. And you can see the ESC voltage over there that is drawing, and the ESC temperature and the motor temperature. So it's showing this telemetry in real time. Now we're going to see, since we set the reverse on 25%, let's see the maximum throttle it'll go to when we push the accelerator to full in reverse. Okay, and you start to see as it goes up, and you see that the maximum was 13,000. Now let's do some tests. So this whole run footage is very short and it's on 3S power. I must say the gyro is really nice, keeps it going really nice and straight. I think out of the box, the settings that came with mine was just perfect. So that's a wrap for this video. Thank you for watching. Until next time, cheers.